everybody and welcome back to another episode of Quad RC. This is part 2 where I take this black zone slider and convert it into something a bit better with cheaper parts with a better quality. So I took out this nylon dog bone and I installed these metal dog bones. I took out the nylon links and I installed the metal adjustable links. I took out this small nylon diff, installed the bigger metal diff, and because all these parts are not exactly made for this car, I had a bit of a camber problem, so I ended up printing these indestructible control arms. So if you've got a car and you're struggling to fit parts in it, come to this channel and I've got some ideas for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe.
So I just worked that hole out a bit so the bearing is more sunk. So you can put this one in and it goes in a bit further so you can get to that hole. So that's the thing about these new remote control cars enthusiasts. They say they are hobbyists, but they only drive remote control cars. They don't build it anymore. So when you had this hobby, early 90s, then you bought a kit and you built the car. Now it's just RTR.
Three, two, one.
Still needs a bit of love. Don't know if you can see there, I just moved that hole a bit further. It was a bit 2 mil away from the spur gear, so I just moved that hole there, and I opened up the main hole was 2 mil to that side. Let's see if it goes in. Oh, it's like a glove. Look at that. There's no play on it. Oh, I can just put it together. Quite longer than the original ones. So here's the original ones. I'm gonna extend this. I'm gonna have a camber problem, but for a small car like this, I don't think a camber can be a problem. So I'm gonna close that off. It was all plastic. Now it's metal. Even the spur replaced with metal parts. Close it. Because that doesn't fit in there. I have to work off those edges there.
Nice.
So as you can see here, I put the JJRC drive shafts here at the back of this black zone, and I put some 110 scale turnbuckles on the top here because with the short, so I'm gonna have a camber. Fits perfectly like that. We got the JJRC metal diff in there. front drive shafts there. Put it together, see if it runs. Look how smooth.
If you missed part 1 of this video, you can just check it out, this link below. What's up? So I took out these nylon bone. So in this episode I'll show you how I took out the indestructible metal. Do like and subscribe.